pull the pistol, cock it back and pop your ass. I usually kick you with some kill and throw a nigga back. I'm quick to pull the pistol, cock it back and pop your town filled with rebels that'll kill you for your saddlebag.
This is where they come to die, with hopes and dreams, but the waters run dry. The last one to draw be the first to fly. We let the whiskey burn inside. Welcome to Dodge City.
Of the stock exhaust. Stock exhaust.
Just grabbed by the bracket.
We're gonna need a rag.
Why, mine's not that hot. Dude, yours gets not hot. Mine's like ice cold. That's why mine's covered in mud.
You're gonna wanna make sure your exhaust is steaming hot.
Yeah, it's better when it's warm, then it slides off.
There's your old piece of crap.
Hunk of junk.
Okay, so here it is. That's my hand, way too big. Take that out.
Oh, nice and greasy.
Here is your stock exhaust. You're gonna wanna take out this chip. Like a screwdriver, but we're not gonna do that. Okay, so with one bashed finger later, you're gonna have this. We just pried it up and then poked her out with the finger.
Okay, now you're ready to ride.
And yeah, now there's your FMF shorty. Can you see the traction?
Ready to ride.
Now fire her up and go piss off your neighbors. And while you wait for your mom to bring home your brand new FMF shorty, you bounce on the trampoline. No boots on the trampoline.
Look what you did.
It's in a bag. Now that's a shorty. Okay,
I'll hold it, you cut it.
well, I'm like freaking out right now.
Here it is.
Yeah. Like having like a mental like this is just unreal, you know?
Yeah, that's things are good.
You wanna hold this? Stickers.
Look at them welds.
That's really nice. Look at this. Okay, so here is a comparison. Old wrinkly thing.
This one's like,
Short.
it's
Here,
wider
let's
than.
see how it is.
Does it stick up? Oh, it's just barely.
Oh, that is perfect.
Let's get her on. Oh, God. Okay, it turned off. It's fine.
Okay, so you put that in there. Then you just put those on there. And
Bolt. And you're good to go.
hold this.
Spin it around. Just doesn't. If that doesn't go over there, I'm gonna cry.
It will.
So I want to hear this thing.
We'll make it.
Just drills it out. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's a piece. There you go.
Yeah, it's...
Oh, it's the perfect size. Here, pass me the bowl.
Nice and shiny.
This bolt's a tricky one. And now it's going on.
Is it even going? Yeah.
How's it going? You guys still crying over your bath?
Yeah, man. Yeah, kinda. Nothing some duct tape can't fix.
Here, my keys should be right.
Those are right there if you need them. Just stripping the bolt out. She's on. Tighten the clamps.
Yes. I gotta take it outside.
Half the size.
Okay.
Okay, here. You wanna hold this?
Man, these boys think they got me. You ain't got shit, son. I'm the Lane Frost of this shit. So bring your ass on there. I'm on my country boy shit, hillbilly like it's Beverly. Cherry red Chevy lift, kid about a couple feet.